Hello, you're tuning into the installation video of the integrated dash cam for the Toyota Tundra 2022. The installation is fairly easy, so I just made a quick video. Go ahead and follow the installation instructions and you should be alright. So we'll jump right on in and remove the negative battery terminal. So as you go down the instructions down to page 13 of the installation, you'll see a template that you'll have to cut out. Cut it alongside the line, and then you'll have to line it up alongside here. Notice this part slides in all the way, and you just line it up to the, you'll see how the black spots line up. Once you line that up, remove the backing for the adhesive and place this backing plate on your windshield. Now we're gonna move the visor on out the way. Next step is to turn counterclockwise. You'll feel it snap out a little. Pull it straight up. Set it down. Now we're gonna grab a needle nose plier or something close to it. And we're just gonna get a hold of these tabs here, compress it a little, pull it straight out. Let's go ahead and set this down. Next, everyone has to remove this. I recommend you get some vinyl removal tools. This is a set I got from Amazon, so you'll see various types here, picks, etc. Useful kit. Now I just gotta figure out which one I'm gonna use for this. So I ended up using one of these. Kind of stuck that in right here. I pulled it down, so I was able to get that loose. Now let's work on getting the rest of the spots. Stay tuned. Required a little bit of force, but I got it out. Just tugged on right here and right here. So let's take a look what we got here. Okay. So it was held by these. Pull it straight down. All right. Let's see what our next step is. All right. Well, the next thing was to remove this harness out here. And let me tell you, that wasn't fun. You gotta press this little tab here while pulling it out, and it was in there. Get whatever you can, but you gotta press this and yank that out. All right. Next step, let's set this aside somewhere. Yeah, it goes back in just like that. Red side's up front. All right. Next step, they want you to look for a little indentation in the front edge of the headliner, if available. We don't have it. So you take a look here along the headliners. You don't have that. You can reach in a little bit with your finger and pull it back. So we're gonna pull it back, insert the harness of the camera in through here, and straight through, and it will pull it through. All right. That's this right here. We're gonna insert this. So So we're gonna pull it as much as we can, right through. We're gonna take this end of the pigtail and plug it into this right here, pre-existing harness. And then we'll just bundle it up. Alright, so push this through. There's like a little hook that goes right under the headliner. Make sure that's flush. Once that's all ready to go, your harness is connected. Zip tie it. There's not much room here for it to move around, so I didn't need to use that little tape that they said to use. Alright, next step. Alright, I guess it says move the film off the camera, mount it to the base. I kind of cheated and went ahead and did that before I secured my harness. So remove that little paper along here first. And I guess we just got this to pull out. There we go. Alright. So just double check. Make sure nothing's gonna be able to create some noise. Put some tape, the foam tape provided. You don't want to hear this when you're driving or it's bouncing on the headliner. Okay. Make sure the air is clear. And we're gonna grab this piece back. The overhead console. So let's get this plugged in and put it back how we took it off. Alright, we're all set. Insert it through the back first. Slide it back this way. And then you might have to push towards the rear while pushing it in, and then just force the clips to go back into the hole. And you should be good. So let's reconnect the batteries and oh, actually, going ahead of myself now. Let's put these back in and then we'll connect the batteries. Lights are working. Start her up. Uh-oh, what's that sound? Huh, that's the camera. Alright, well, everything seems to be functioning.
Next, you'll go ahead and download the integrated dash cam app. Open it up and make sure you have your Bluetooth on, or off, actually off. Otherwise you'll start to connect to the AirPlay of the vehicle and it just won't work. So turn that off and then turn on your Wi-Fi of your camera. Once that's off, you'll proceed to connect with the settings, and it takes a long time. I don't know why it takes a long time, but it'll eventually pop up. You'll see integrated dash cam. This video is edited, but it takes a long time for it to be detected. The Wi-Fi thing sucks, maybe because I don't have the service subscribed or whatnot. But once you connect, you'll go back into your app and check this out. Live view takes a very long time. I didn't even get it to work. And you can also click browse. I found that easier to click browse, and then you can view your trips and download it. But live view just doesn't seem to work for me. I don't know what it is, but it just wouldn't connect. And the only way I could see video clips is by clicking browse, and then I can see it here. Then download what you want to get a copy of, and then you can edit or view it add it to your adventure trips or whatever. So that's my only con with this camera. It's you can't connect live view or anything just to check it out. But I don't even know about parking mode. I'm still figuring this thing out, but it's an okay camera. The video quality is decent. I might upgrade to a higher capacity SD card, micro SD card. So good luck with the install. It's fairly easy. Make sure you got the tools from Amazon like I showed you. It should have been an easy install, but you know, I honestly think you don't need to remove that harness once you pull out that console in the middle. And if you got enough room to work around by just installing that camera. Alright, well, that's just about it for the video. Let me know how it goes. Anything else I can do, upload, or add to the video description, let me know. Thanks.